Massage therapy offers numerous health benefits, both physical and mental. Here are some key advantages. Physical benefits. Pain relief. Helps alleviate chronic pain conditions like lower back pain, arthritis, and fibromyalgia. Improved circulation. Enhances blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to muscles and tissues. Muscle recovery and relaxation. Reduces muscle tension, knots, and post-workout soreness. Injury prevention and rehabilitation. Supports healing from sports injuries, strains, and post-surgical recovery. Boosted immune function. Stimulates the lymphatic system to remove toxins and improve immune response. Lowered blood pressure. Regular sessions can help reduce hypertension and improve cardiovascular health. Improved posture and flexibility. Releases tight muscles, realigning posture and increasing range of motion. Mental and emotional benefits. Stress reduction, lowers cortisol levels, promoting relaxation and mental clarity. Anxiety and depression relief, stimulates serotonin and dopamine production, enhancing mood. Better sleep, encourages deep relaxation, making it easier to fall and stay asleep. Enhanced focus and mental clarity, helps reduce mental fatigue and improves concentration. Holistic benefits. Improved mind-body awareness, helps clients reconnect with their bodies and recognize tension patterns. Emotional release. Some people experience an emotional catharsis, releasing stored tension and trauma. Increased energy levels. By reducing fatigue and improving circulation, massage can unlock the power of touch. The life-changing benefits of massage therapy. Relax, restore, and revitalize. The power of massage therapy. Massage therapy isn't just about relaxation. It's a game changer for your health. Reduce stress, ease pain, improve circulation, and speed up muscle recovery. Whether you need relief from chronic pain, better flexibility, or a mental reset, massage helps you feel and function at your best. This video was created by The Ultimate Human for your information. Be your ultimate version. Experience the healing power of touch and unlock a healthier, happier you.